flight standing by. I have an advisory and a SIGNET. And the advisory may or may not apply depending on your location. But I am going to provide the advisory now. It's a little unique and unusual, so advise attention all aircraft. Attention all aircraft. In the vicinity, the latitude and longitude, 3324 north, 3324 north, and 6975 west. So if you're not in that 50-mile region around that, it doesn't apply to you. So 50 nautical miles or 50 miles around NOSID, November Oscar Sierra India Delta. And once again, that's 3324 north, 3324 north, 6975 west, or NOSID, and 50 miles around that area. A flight reported a small linear object hit by another flight at flight level 350 and somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 feet above as well. Small linear object in this region. I have no other information on this object or what was the result of it. So I will go through and see if the flights have copied this. Quebec Echo 208, did you copy?
208 copy.
United 3024, did you copy?
United 3024 copy.
Roger, and all the flights stand by also for a regular SIGNET after this. United 665, did you copy?
Yes, I copy, 665.
United 1820, did you copy?
United 1820 copy.
United 1526, did you copy?
United 1526 copy.
WestJet 2461, did you copy?
WestJet 2461 copy.
Thank you very much, everyone, for your patience.